Hey everyone, in this video I gonna demonstrate task 5.3D, which is blinking Morse code using Raspberry Pi GUI. Let's see the setup for this. So this is the setup, guys, in which we have connected two LEDs and three jumper wires. We have also connected two resistors to the LEDs. We have connected the jumper wires to pins 6, 14 and 18. So as you can see, we're using Raspberry Pi 3B, and this is the setup. Let us look at the explanation of the Morse code. So this is the explanation of the Morse code regarding my name, guys. In Morse code we basically have two types. If each alphabet has a unique Morse code in which they are represented by dashes and dots. A dash represents a long blink, whereas a dot represents a short blink. This is Morse code for my name. Let's see the code we're gonna use today. So guys, this is the code we are using. Importing many values, then we are setting up the pins in 14 and 18. This is the Morse code dictionary from A to Z. Then we are converting text to Morse code in this function, whereas dot represents 1 second blink and dash represents a 2-second blinks. Then we made GUI togglers. So let's flash it and see if it's running or not. All good. Text to Morse code blinking converter. Please enter the text you wish to flash in LED. Let's first flash V. All good. Submit. See guys, it's flashing. In V we have 3 short dots and 1 dash. Let's flash a big number like my full name. All good. Submit. It's flashing, guys, as you can see. Short dots, 2, 3, 4. Now we're on A. 1 short dot and 1 long one. Now we are at I. 2 short dots. R, short dot, long, and a short one. Y, long dash, short dash, long dash, now V, 3 dots and dash, I, and R. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.